Hey everybody, thanks for watching the Jeremy Dewitte Show right here with PoliceTube's uncle. We're looking live inside the Osceola County courtroom where Jeremy Dewitte is about to appear today, February 23rd, 2024, for his initial appearance because he was arrested yesterday on a violation of sex offender status or something like that. So they're going to see him right now today. They are going to give him a bond and allow him to get out, a $2,500 bond. He was arrested yesterday at the Osceola County Sheriff's Department when apparently as he was going to register as a sex offender, whatever he was doing there. They arrested him, took him into custody, and now today he's going to see a judge. We're about to see that here in a second. I appreciate you guys watching. I can't believe they're going to let him out again. Best of all, too, Amir Ladan is here, the best attorney in Central Orlando. So let's go ahead and pop our heads in here and see what happens with Jeremy Dewitte.
You just watched the video explaining the purpose of the hearing, and so we're going to get started. I do want to confirm that I can be heard at the jail. I can't hear you. You're muted.
Yes, Your Honor, but do you mind if I take 2 minutes to speak with the individuals really quick?
Mr. Ladan, Amir Ladan is there. Can I? Are you ready to move forward?
I am, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
I'll take up private counsel's case. Counsel, if you could announce your presence.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Amir Ladan on behalf of Jeremy Dewitte.
And for the state. Okay, give me 1 moment to pull the file up. Just a second. In case of. All right, 4169. Before I begin, Mr. Ladan, did you wish to say anything?
No, Your Honor. We're just entering a notice of appearance on behalf of Mr. Dewitte. I've been tendered a copy of the warrant paperwork, which doesn't really do me much good other than telling me there's a warrant. So I'm operating in a bit of a bind here, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Dewitte, you've been arrested on a warrant wherein a court has already found probable cause for failure to comply with reporting requirements. Your bond is $2,500. Mr. Valance is standing from the state. Mr. Valance.
There are 3 open.
We're unable to hear him, Your Honor. I apologize. I can't hear the state.
If you can start from the very beginning, Mr. Valance, and speak directly into the microphone.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Dewitte has 3 open cases. Based on the probable cause found in the warrant for this case, the state's moving to revoke bond in those 3 cases. I may place the case numbers on the record.
Okay, before you do that, I note that in the affidavit for the arrest warrant in this case that the offense dates are September 29th and October 7th of 2023. I just wanted to make sure that the cases in which you're seeking bond revocation would have been on bond prior to those dates.
I did check the dates of each of those cases. The date that I remembered seeing was November, so I may be off. If I could just have a moment to confirm. I know that some of those cases did occur prior to that date, but I don't want to.
We can tell.
Okay, 1 moment.
You say that.
236, which is an Osceola County case. The events are alleged to have occurred on November 22nd.
I can't hear the state again, Judge. I'm sorry.
In case number 23CF236, which is an Osceola County case, the events are alleged to have occurred on November 22nd, 2022.
When did he bond on that?
Let me have a moment to pull that up.
Because the case cover sheet that I gave from corrections, which typically has that type of information, they listed no cases for which bond should be revoked, but that doesn't mean that perhaps they missed one.
That's what Mr. Arkendo is indicating to me here, Your Honor, as well. It appears that those would have been cases that were reviewed, and he should not be revoked based on that.
I see the July 3rd bond date for the 23CF236, but Your Honor, I think it's certainly possible that I may be incorrect, but based on what I'm seeing, it wasn't.
Right. No motions have been filed to date, correct?
I apologize. What was
No motions have been filed to date.
Right.
Right. Okay, well, in the absence of any definitive information, the bond will be $2,500 in case 24 CF 469. This does not preclude the state from promptly taking whatever action it deems is appropriate, but that will be the bond. And as a condition of your, Mr. DeWitte, you must comply with all reporting requirements within 24 hours of your release.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, sir. Thank you.
That's all I have before the court, Your Honor. Thank you for taking me first. May I be excused?
Sir, have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well. Have a good weekend.
I can't believe
Thanks,
Jeremy
Steve.
DeWitte was actually quiet the entire time. And isn't Amir Ladan so polite? The judge takes him first, as always, and then he asks to be excused. My hat's off to you, Amir Ladan, and my hat's off to everyone in the Jeremy DeWitte community. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you watching. We're going to be bringing you more of this kind of stuff along with the arrest video of Jeremy DeWitte. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of all this stuff. And as always, make sure you have a great day. Bye-bye.